So when you start up Illustrator, you're going to see a few options and a few tutorials sort of pop up on your home screen. This is where you can kind of pick what type of document you want to create. There's a few presets that Illustrator gives you. You can choose the type of document that you want to create here, or you can go up here, New File. So just for an example, we're going to hit More Presets. And this is where you can kind of pick what you want to design for. So kind of want to think about what you're designing for, if it's like a logo or social media, LinkedIn cover photo, Facebook profile, coffee cup, whatever. You can kind of pick different sizes as presets here, or you can create like a custom size by typing in your dimensions or resolution here using the drop down menu. So it's really up to you what you want to make it for. As an example, we're just going to use a preset here, which is an A4 document, and we can just automatically select it. It's pretty easy. There's a few examples that Illustrator gives you too. We're just going to change these to millimeters because that's what we go off here in Australia. You'll see a few more options here on the right. You can bump the artboards up to 2, so you can add more than one canvas. If you want to do, 3 logos or 2 canvases or whatever you want to do, you can bump that up to as many as you want. Change the orientation to landscape and portrait because this is an A4 doc. Choose your bleed settings. I'll just leave that as is. CMYK versus RGB. Your color profiles, just depending if it's going to be printed or on a TV screen. You can just pick accordingly. And then the highest raster effects, which is just basically 300 pixels per inch. It's just a high quality mode, basically. We'll leave the preview mode. And then you just basically go create. And there you have it. Welcome to Illustrator.